Hello friends, today I'm going to show you my Casio AE1300 series watch. We'll start with some regular features which it has. It has got a 10-year battery life and 100-meter water resistant limit. As you can see, 1300 series. It has got 4 buttons. This is adjust, mode, this is light, and this is the start button. Okay, I'll show you the interval of the backlight. It roughly stands for 1.5 seconds approximately, something like that. So coming to the dials, the left hand topmost small dial is for every 10 seconds. This is for every second. This is for every minute. Okay, here you can see the day, the month, the date. Then this is the timing, seconds. We can change it to 24-hour format by just pressing the start button and again going back. Yeah, so the features, first feature is this is the stopwatch, this is the timer, this is interval timer. Okay, this is the very unique feature of this watch. For example, if you want different consecutive timer based tasks, you can use this feature. It has got around 9 intervals which you can use for timing. Okay, next is the world timing. Now I have set it to Indian time zone. You can change it to different timings, world timings. Then this is the alarm. You can set only one alarm here. Okay, yeah, so these are the features which it has got, and it comes with this strap. This is a good strap. Yeah, beautiful watch it is. Thank you.